In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header in your Confluence profile. Having a header or cover image on your profile is a simple way to personalize your space and make it easier for teammates to recognize you. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click, explain what you're seeing on screen, and share a few tips to help your header look its best. Let's start from your Confluence home screen or any Confluence page. First, you need to open your profile. Look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll usually see your avatar or your initials inside a small circle. Click on that avatar. A small menu will drop down, and from there, choose the option labeled Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where your details and activity are shown. Once your profile page opens, you'll see your name and basic information in the center of the screen. Just above that area is where your header or cover image will appear. If you haven't set one yet, this section will look plain or display a default background. Move your cursor to that top area. You should see an option that says Add Cover Image. Click on Add Cover Image to open the cover image settings. After clicking, Confluence will show you a panel with options for how you want to add your header. Here, you want to upload your own image from your computer so you can fully customize the look. To do that, click on the button that says Upload an Image. When you click Upload an Image, a file browser window will appear. Navigate to the folder where your desired header image is stored. For best results, choose a wide, landscape-oriented image with good resolution so it doesn't look blurry or stretched. Once you've selected your image, click Open or the equivalent option on your operating system. Confluence will upload the file and display a preview at the top of your profile page. In many cases, you can drag the image slightly to adjust which part is visible. Take a moment to make sure important parts of the image aren't cut off and that it looks good across the full width of the header area. When you're happy with how it looks, confirm the changes if prompted. That's all you need to add a header to your Confluence profile. You've clicked into